Okay guys, so here is the update on the prickly pears. I'll move in close. You can see they're all growing new. And I know everybody's like, oh, I want to see them. I got some doubles back there. You can see there's just so many different ways. They're very, very soft. When they first grow, they're almost like rubber little finger things. There's a little one back there growing. Alright, I could use 500 subscribers, but I'll be happy if I reach 200 soon. I soak them in water. Yep, they're in rainwater. They're not dying, and some of those are actually probably growing. Let's go over it and see. Oh! Oh yeah. Lots of little micro buggy things, but they'll all be fine. They all get nice and fat. Oh gosh, I'm sorry guys. There we go. And they're not, I mean, some of them might die in here, but not many. Oh, there's little tadpoles in there even. But see, they get real big and squishy, and then you can just get rid of them. But this is what happens when they get too much water. But yeah, all right, well. But yeah, so there's the ones that I've planted. And there's little baby ones growing. So, see the water on them. Some are just starting, and some are really like growing.